Seasoned DJ re-energized courtesy of an oldie buzzing on TikTok. The second installment tonight of our chat with Elephant Man, who revisits the glory days and his debt to Bogle.
And the bling is banging as usual.
I'm telling you, 30 nothing. Image is everything. Pretty baby.
Pretty Little Baby to the rescue in 2025. But Elephant Man scaling the heights of dancehall fame well over a decade ago with such tracks as Pond the River and Willie Bounce.
Willie Bounce, Willie Bounce, color them and do the Willie Bounce.
Yo, it was crazy, you know, taking dancehall to a different level. I saw Jennifer Lopez run me down on the red carpet and drop, all because of Pond the River. Elephant Man, I've seen nothing. When Usher called me and said he wanted me and him to go on tour, the first place we did was New York. And when I reached, and he sent a private jet for me, when I reached, Usher was rehearsing and Usher saw me and said, Elephant Man, ready. And I'm like, what? Usher know that? So, trust me, that was the time when Hot 97 changed their name from Hot 97 for hip hop and R&B to Hot 97 for hip hop, dancehall, and R&B. Elephant Man did that. Everybody was all over. Pond the River, Willie Bounce, Signal the Plane, Blase, Fat Joe. I give Fat Joe a big number one out of my song. Blase, Rock Away, Lean Back, Rock Away, and he talked it the other day. Type in Fat Joe confessing Elephant Man gave him his big number one Billboard hit. And I never said I want no money from them because dancehall around the place.
Lean back, lean back.
Pick up Sean Paul. Sean Paul come. Well, I don't really care what people say, and I don't really. It not nothing to do with dancing, but Sean Paul come and say, Pond the River, Pond the Bank, give them a run, Signal the Plane. I never yet war with Sean Paul.
Pond the River, Pond the Bank, Pond the River.
We are all brothers, Anthony. Music around the place. If I have something and everybody like it, fine, let's do this. Dancehall at its peak. So talking to this generation right now, trouble. From them typing Elephant Anthony, they're gonna see more. They're gonna see Pretty Baby. Then they're gonna see, oh, he did Pond the River, he did Willie Bounce. Oh my God, he did Cat the Luna, Wind Up. Oh. Oh yeah, no, I no regret for me, but when I was leaving Weddy, if I know that Bogle would die in the gas station, I would tell him go home. I regret going home, never knowing that something would happen, you know? So it's not a regret because regretting something is like I was there and where. I wasn't there, but I regret not seeing what was gonna happen or get a heads up so I could say, go on home and not stop, you know?
The logical follow-up to that being, how big an influence was Bogle for you as a DJ back then?
Big for the whole away. The whole away, big.
Them say, well, what are we? This is the last year of joke, this year of worry. Them say, no.
So when them say them Mr. Wacky, them can't send them. And the best of them.
I remember going on the first private jet, is me and him say, Ellie, them a big bird. Them a Sesame Street. And I say, what you just say? And the man say, Ellie, Sesame Street, it's that time again when Bogle dance and teach. All who see them a say that the dance unique. Bogle show them how to do it, the new dance name Sesame Street. That's where that come from. Bogle give me that. And me I say, you know, Bogle is a, for the dance, all the fashion, the dressing, the image. Bogle carry that, and just the love where the youth them in the ghetto have fame and the dancer them and the people them on a whole. Like Bogle do a lot, him keep the dancehall vibes up, him keep the music happy. Yo, Bogle here, so tonight we want to go to wedding, we want to go to Uptown Mondays, we want anywhere Bogle, we want to go Asylum. And you know, me just regret say him not get to see how dancehall big now, how it nice, the stadium them where we are full and the energy up. You know?
So take Elephant Man out of the bright lights. you know, in your own time, are you this upbeat? Are you this sort of positive? Are you this sort of energized? Or this is really your professional demeanor?
I'm always upbeat, I'm always energized, I'm always positive because you know me, Anthony. If you check back all the interviews that you do with me, I'm always putting God first. And if you notice, I stay out of trouble.
Not when you were cussing Beanie Man though, boy. I remember that one, boy.
Because with Beanie now,
only person who hit Beanie harder was Bounty Killer.
You know, Beanie love give himself trouble, so sometimes we have to make him understand, say, Beanie, behave no man, sure. Because Beanie is a man just talk, and him just say some things, and him remember say, then we don't have mouth to Beanie, we are going to say back what we have to say back. But big up Beanie, big up the doctor, you don't know the thing go. You see me? I love big up Beanie, but I saw Beanie go on, you know? So, more time we have to look a face to face go on, but big up Beanie, you understand? But we keep the positive part because we really want the people them to say, the music and the artists them, we are represent the music. Them can come over, them can ask for your autograph. We are reasonable. You know, people with up on the plane, we not stuck up. People can, hey, come over and, you know. And me, that Anthony, I always try to be a people person, and I always try keep it real and stay down to earth.
You pretty baby, this I know maybe.
And some final words about Pretty Little Baby, which the DJ has put his own spin on to give an old number some dancehall zing.
Even if I don't, the publishing or the way they don't come to me. What about the bookings? The bookings, because I'm performing it now. Condolences to Mrs. Connie, you know? I'm performing now. I'm doing it. People want to see it. This is what we are doing something that brings joy to the people. So it ain't even about that, you know? It's about we did this and it's a hit for the fans and yo, we're performing this and we're doing it. So make the whole go to Connie and our family, the publishing. I'm good. Salute to Mrs. Connie, you know?
So send out a positive word to the next generation of those DJs. Whom would you jump on a track with? Because you kind of rate them because
any one of them. We rate the whole
you're
of them.
not choosing anybody.
Me not choose nobody like me. I go choose him and leave out him. Look, all of the young generation, you guys are doing very well, exceptional. Me no want left out none of them. The whole of Uno are doing the thing, the whole of Uno are going good. Respect Uno. Alkaline, big up yourself, big up Addy, big up Killer, big up Beanie, because we still have to call the veteran them name. Big up Prophet, big up Sizzler. We just love what go on in the music. The youth them a do them thing, but me just want them watch and everybody for just say, yo what, if me not like him, we still have a follow him footstep. We have to take something from him and just up the thing with them performance and challenge them talent where everybody now have to do the same type of music. I want them step up them performance because the performance part now, where the people them are firing come out and them watch the performance and them say, oh, that's him, okay, now I want to see him again. Oh, we just want the youth them step up them performance, believe in the work, don't just do it for the money. Do it because it's going to make you help your mother, your father, it's going to help you. The money is there for you guys to make, so just make the money, use it wisely, spend it wisely, not buy no gun, not buy no coke, not put no money in no coke, no nothing. Father God will take back the gift and take back the blessing. Keep it 100, keep it real.